Hey everyone!
Welcome back to Mars Tech Reviews.
Today, we're diving deep into the brand new iPhone 16 series, the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Whether you're an Apple aficionado or just considering an upgrade, this video will provide all the insights you need. Let's get started. 1. Unboxing the iPhone 16. First up, we have the iPhone 16. It's available in 3 colors: blue, pink, and midnight. I'm excited to unbox the blue variant. Wow! The color is vibrant and looks stunning under the lights. This phone features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, which is perfect for media consumption. Apple's design language continues to impress. The aluminum frame and glass back feel premium. Now, let's see what else is in the box. We've got the usual suspects here: a USB-C charging cable and some quick start guides. Apple has streamlined the packaging quite a bit. Now, let's power it on and set it up. Setting up the iPhone 16 for minutes. Setting it up is super straightforward. The setup wizard guides you through connecting to Wi-Fi, logging into your Apple ID, and restoring data from your old device if needed. The setup took me just a few minutes. The display looks amazing, with vibrant colors and sharp text. Let's jump into some features. 3. iPhone 16 features overview. Let's talk about performance. The iPhone 16 is powered by the A16 chip, which means top-notch speed and efficiency. It handles multitasking like a champ. In benchmarks, it scores impressively, often outpacing competitors in its price range. Now, let's check out the camera capabilities. The iPhone 16 features a dual camera system with a 12MP main and ultra-wide lens. The camera app is user-friendly, with various modes like portrait, night mode, and more. Check out these photos! The low-light performance is particularly impressive. The colors are vibrant, and the detail is sharp. Unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro. Next up is the iPhone 16 Pro, available in deep purple, gold, silver, and space black. Let's see what's inside. Here's the deep purple variant. This color is a standout. The iPhone 16 Pro features a 6.1-inch promotion display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes everything feel incredibly smooth. The design is sleek, and you can feel the premium materials used. It's definitely a step up from the standard model. iPhone 16 Pro features. Now, let's dive into the camera system. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts a triple camera setup, a 48MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 12MP telephoto lens. Here are some samples. The detail in these shots is incredible, and the low-light performance really shines. The new photonic engine enhances image quality dramatically. Let's not forget video. The iPhone 16 Pro can shoot in ProRes, making it a great tool for content creators.
6. Unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Finally, let's unbox the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It comes in the same colors as the Pro. Let's see what we've got. Here it is in deep purple again. This model features a larger 6.7-inch display, which is perfect for watching videos and gaming. The design feels robust and premium. You can definitely feel the size difference compared to the standard and Pro models.
Models. iPhone 16 Pro Max features. The Pro Max has all the features of the Pro, but with a larger battery and enhanced display capability. Battery life is excellent. I easily got through a day and a half of heavy use. If you're a power user, this is the model to consider. Gaming on this device is a treat, with the larger screen providing an immersive experience. Titles run smoothly without any lag. 8. Comparison of all models. 5 minutes now. Let's compare the 3 models side by side. The iPhone 16 is perfect for everyday users who want a solid phone without breaking the bank. The Pro adds advanced features for photography and gaming enthusiasts, while the Pro Max is ideal for those who want the absolute best experience, especially in battery life and display size. Consider what matters most to you: camera performance, battery life, or display size. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 series has something for everyone. If you're looking for great performance at a lower price, the iPhone 16 is a fantastic choice. For those who want advanced photography and gaming features, go for the Pro. And if you're a power user, the Pro Max is worth every penny. Let me know in the comments which model you're leaning towards. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.